If you're experiencing pending transfers on Discord, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly and easily. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can cause delays in processing transfers. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if possible. Step 2. Verify payment method. Make sure that the payment method linked to your Discord account is valid and has sufficient funds. Check for any issues with your credit card or payment service that might be causing the transfer to be pending. Step 3. Refresh Discord. Sometimes, simply refreshing the Discord app can resolve pending transfers. Close the app completely and reopen it, or log out and look back into your account to see if the transfer status updates. Step 4. Check Discord status. Visit the Discord status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with the platform that might be affecting transfers. If there are known issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 5. Contact Discord support. If the transfer remains pending after trying the previous steps, reach out to Discord support for assistance. Provide them with details about the transfer and any troubleshooting steps you have already taken. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any pending transfers on Discord. If issues persist, don't hesitate to seek further help from Discord's support team.